How to turn on media visibility on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on media visibility on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp. Here you will find these 3 points on top, click on it and then just click settings. Here you will find this one here, chats. Click on it and then just here you will find it, media visibility. If you want to turn it on, all you need to do is just one click on it, and that's it. As you see, media visibility have been turned on, and now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.